video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install a poster script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll provide the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, open the inventory folder, copy this image from here and paste it into your QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images and paste your image over here. Just like this. Now we have to add the item. For that, open the items.lua which is located in the QBCore shared items.lua. Then copy one item from here and I'll be pasting it over here. Now rename it and give it a name of poster. Just like this. So you have to set it just like this. After that, press Ctrl save. Now open the Lua folder. Go to share.lua. From here you can configure the framework which you are using. So I'll be using QBCore framework. And for the inventory, I'll be using QB inventory. So I'll be changing the aux inventory to QB inventory. Now copy the name of the script. Then open the server.cfg and ensure it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl save. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's give ourselves the item. So as you can see over here, this is the poster item in our inventory. So let's use it. Now as you can see, we get a green circle over here. Now we have to press E to select the starting point. After that, we have to select the area. And then press E to select the end point. Now we have to paste the URL of the image. Make sure to use the Google image. After pasting the URL, click on save. So as you can see over here, our poster is ready now. As you can see, our Bala's poster is ready now. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.